hi sa aking mga kapamilya dyan nga mag-celebrate ngayong October 28. Sila si An Diniga Solitario o Jima Solitario. Una sa lahat, magpasalamat sa Panginoon, mag-pray, ngaunta tagan og kabaskog sa panglawas sa darating sa adlaw nga tawhan. Both of you, wishing you all the best. Na sana marami pang blessing na darating sa inyong buhay. Good health always, together our family. And more birthdays to come. Both of you. Sana sa adlaw nyo natawan, i-enjoy nyo ang sarili nyo. Happy together, our family. Once again, happy birthday, Jima Solitario. Sana magpabilin ang pagkabutan ninyong dalawa. Maraming salamat. May lakad pa ko. Bye-bye. God bless us all.
Hello, Ma'am Ann, Gang Jima. Happy birthday sa inyo. And may God bless you on your special day. Manghinaot ko na ang inyong birthday ug sa mga umaabot pa ay magiging okay o abundance. I am hoping for you, Ma'am Ann. Keep reaching your goals and keep always a good model to your students, and may God bless you with joy and love on your birthday, and not only for your birthday, not only on your birthday, but in every day in your routine of life. Okay, and always safe lang palagi. Keep safe always. Kung hinaot ko na sa mata in every single minute in your life, nandyan si God. Always put God in your heart. But I know you are so very religious and a good daughter of God. Okay, that's what I see to you, and hoping that you continue your good works and be example for us as being a humility and not a sarcastic one, and always have patience. Okay, and thank you that you are part of our family. Supposed to be. You are us. You are in with us. You are Solitario. Okay, that's why, and we accept you of only how many percent? 100% that you are my sister. And for you, Ganjima, may God bless you, and just always hold and fight for what you want in your life. Dahil you're in a young age, kumbaga bata pa, so you have a lot of things to do na gusto nyo pang maabot kasama sa aking palanggang kapatid. Palangga ko naman kayo lahat. So you are team. Nagka-team talaga kayo. 2:1 and 1:2. So bring it up, all of your dreams. Kailangan dalawa kayong haharap, dalawa kayong mangarap, at dalawa kayong mag-process so that it will come nice and quiet. Ayan, abutin nyo lang ang pangarap nyo. Alam kong malayo ang mararating yung dalawa. So nagsimula pa lang. So andyan at nandyan pa yan parating. Okay, that's all guys. Happy birthday sa inyo. May God bless all of you and to all of us. Thank you. Dahil nag-ring na ang phone, nandito ko sa work. Bye-bye. God bless.
Hello, Madam Ann ug Madam Jima. Happy birthday sa inyong duha. Hinaot nga lipayon mo sa inyong mga adlaw na tawhan karon. Ug daghan unta nga mahubog, mabusog yay. Enjoy lang mo diha permi. Happy birthday. O ginaot kadagan pagkatuigan nga mabot sa inyo ha. God bless.